My name is Jillian, and this is Jillian Camps, Arizona, and today we're going to be talking about the Anker Liberty Neo wireless earphones. Anker loves to send me earphones to wireless earbuds in order to make my little review videos. So here we are again. Thank you, Anker, for sponsoring this video. I really appreciate it, as per usual. As you can see, these look to be really small. I think these are the, well, as you can tell, they're the ultra compact version of the Neo, of the Liberty Neo. So I have both versions. I have the big ones, and now we have the ultra compact version. It's so cute. Look. So I'm kind of excited to try this. I'm not a giant fan of the Anker headphones, you know, the Anker earphones, to be perfectly honest. These are too small. Even this one, the old one that I have, the Liberty, the regular Liberty ones in the larger size, these ones, I was sweating and they would fall out of my ears. So I'm hoping these ones will be better. I think that Anker sent these to me in order to do a comparison video, so we're gonna have to do a comparison video, you know. But for now, I thought we could do an unboxing of the Liberty Neo Ultra Compact earphones. So let's go ahead and open it. It looks like you just peel, it says open here, you just peel up that little sticker, and then we'll have to see what is in this box. So I'm just gonna pull this little thing out. This is so cute here, and there's nothing else in there, you know. So it looks like, you know, how do we sound? And it's got a cute little insert. Wow, look at all that. Jeez, that's scary. How do we sound? Oh, and it just says, you sound great. Please connect with us on Facebook, etc. It's got a large instruction manual and a warranty information here on the inside. And then it just simply has, it looks like the mini, the ultra compact mini SoundCore. These might be good on, you know, if I ever get to go on trips again on an airplane, these might be good for an airplane usage. So it looks, these are actually quite cute. They come in this little tiny box, this charging case, and you can see it's got the little dots there. I don't know if you can see that, where it's got 3 dots for fully charged or whatnot. It looks like the case snaps open and these just pop out. So that's kind of exciting. And then here they are. So it looks like it already has the medium headphone soft item on it, and as you know, I'm not a big fan of the medium size, so I'm gonna have to change that to the smaller size. But as you can see here, so we have the case, you know, the charging case, and the earphones themselves in this little tiny mini box with the lights that tell you how, you know, how much it's charged. And then as you can see, we have a whole set. We have a charging cable here for one, which is very nice. It looks like this is the same charging cable that you would use for like a Kindle or your Samsung devices, as per usual. You know, Anker likes to do those connectors. And it looks like you get a ton of different options in order to choose your size, you know, for the little rubber item that goes inside your ear. And then you also get to choose your size for the outer earpiece, which kind of slips in this corner part of your ear, if that makes sense. So this slips around the top of it in order to make it more comfortable kind of inside of your ear. Again, there's no string or there's no cord connecting both sides, so they're completely wireless, totally independent of each other. I kind of like this case. I think it's kind of cute and little. Again, this will fit great like in my backpack. It looks like it's got the power switch on the back here. Power switch, excuse me. It's the power port. So this is where you would put the power, plug it in, you know. So if you have like a Samsung cable or something for your Kindle, uses the same connector. So you could just use that one to connect it and charge. And it looks like the case just kind of snaps open and there they are. So it's kind of exciting. Again, I haven't tried these out yet. As you can see, it comes with the sticker. It says, please remove and charge fully on the sticker. So it looks like we have to remove that in order to charge fully, but I do like this case. I like how it's charged fully when it arrives. And yeah, I think that's pretty much it for this little tiny thing. It just comes in this little box and that is it. So thank you so much, Anker. I really appreciate you guys sending me yet another headphone to review, you know, do my little video on. I'm really happy that you chose me yet again to do this. So I'm excited to try these out. Again, I'm not a giant fan of using these because I sweat a lot and I'm always afraid they're gonna fall out of my ears. It does look like these ones are more rubberized, so it looks like they've updated some of the technology to make the newer ones, smaller ones, more rubber. So hopefully these new ones might stick in my ear a little better, but I don't know. We'll have to see. So anyways, but thank you so much to Anker for continuing to send me these products in order to test it during my walks outside, during my hiking adventures. I really appreciate it, and I appreciate you guys. So thank you so much for joining me on this Jillian Camps Arizona video for yet another unboxing. Feel free to thumbs up this content if you liked it and you want to see more like it. Also, if you're not currently following me and you want to follow me around, feel free to hit that subscribe button below. Or you can like my page on Facebook or on Instagram. That's at Jillian Camps Arizona. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.